What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
My day today, but the highlight of my day, which I don't know if that's sad or anyways, is making this video. I have been wanting to make this video and try this product for, I kept saying like 3 months, but now that I actually think about the release date, it was released on November 15th. So, been like 4 or 5 weeks. It felt like 3 months. So it is going to be a, I guess, first impressions review demo of the Farsali, I never know which way to say it, liquid glass Radiance Make Skin Serum with hyaluronic acid. But I will go into all the details about what it claims, what's in it, the price, how much you get in the video. I am also going to be trying it a few different ways. I am basically doing the same thing I did when I tested out the Farsali Skintune Blur. I'm going to use it as a primer on one side, and then on the other side I mix it in with my foundation. So if you would like to see if this is the Fountain of Youth in a 1 ounce bottle, then keep on watching. This is not available on Sephora. I had to buy it directly from the Farsali website, and it is also a limited edition. But anyways, let's get right into the trying of the product. If you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and by subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell. And don't forget, my giveaway is still going on. I will put a link to the video right here, which has all the prizes, rules, etc., etc. So, all right, let's get into it. I feel like Vanna White. Okay, it's like not showing up very well. But anyways, liquid glass Radiance Make Skin Serum with hyaluronic acid. Serum Radiance. Use as a radiating skin serum or as a primer before makeup application. May be applied to, mixed with, or layered on top of skincare or makeup for a luminous finish. Okay, so this is 1 fluid ounce. Ooh, it is like a pearly white liquid. It is a lot like thinner in consistency than the Skintune Blur. So it's in the same type of bottle with the dropper. And oh my god, that is literally the softest thing I have ever felt in my entire life. It kind of has like a citrusy scent. It is like so silky and so moisturizing. Oh. And it's like, is very tacky, so it will definitely be a good primer, I think. Okay, so as of this time, it is in stock. It was $54 for 30 milliliters. and it does say that this is limited edition. So achieve the look of glassy skin with Liquid Glass, a hybrid make skin serum that promises to deliver long-lasting, dewy skin in one single step. Inspired by the Korean skincare trend of glass skin, this unique formula combines the usual 10 steps of this routine and packs them into one powerful bottle that hydrates, radiates, and gives you translucent, crystal-like skin. The serum's formula contains 2 key ingredients. First one, hyaluronic acid. It revitalizes and replenishes the skin's outer layers with moisture and helps plump the skin, improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2, Aquacell is a natural complex that combines watermelon rind extract, lentil fruit extract, and apple extract to give you long-lasting hydration and plump skin. Didn't I say it smelled fruity? I think I did. What is glass skin? Glass skin is a term for exceptionally smooth, even-toned, and lustrous skin that's so flawless it has the appearance of glass. Like its predecessors, honey and dewy skin, glass skin aims for an intensely moisturized skin that gives off an almost transparent complexion and a very youthful, lit from within glow. I'll use it as a primer on one side and then mix it in with my foundation on the other. As you can see, it is like very hydrating and it leaves a dewiness to the skin. It's not like an illumination, it's just like a glowy dewiness compared to the other side. First, I'm going to put some of the Hourglass Vanish stick just in some random places. Like, I've been like really digging using like a stick foundation and then going over it with a liquid foundation. When I want to be fancier, I go with my Hourglass and then my YSL. So I'm just going to put some of this in the back of my hand. Take my e.l.f. foundation blurring brush and I'm going to buff that out. It does look like very smooth. Like it's blending out like so nicely. And I definitely feel like it's clinging to the primer or serum or whatever it is. I don't really know how to explain it. It just like went on like flawlessly, like no joke. Okay, here is, and then here is reality. Oh my god, wow. Look at the difference. Now I'm going to put some more foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm also going to put some of the Liquid Glass. I just love that name, Liquid Glass. Ooh! Oh my god, it does the same thing as the Skintune Blur does. It like changes the consistency of like whatever formula it is, and it makes it, it's almost like a mousse texture, and it also feels like spandex, kind of like it spreads, and like that's how I feel when I put it on my face. I just put it on the side I already did. Oh my god. Guys, if you knew my day, this is nothing compared to before now. So, hold on. But you see how it's not like putting like complete dots like it did before? Like, it's like spreading out. It's really, and because that foundation is like very thin and like watery as well, they're both running down, and now it's almost like a mousse, like it's not running down at all. I'm going to be putting my Tarte Shape Tape on. Alright, so I like was having like the best day ever. So I come home and I'm like looking through all my stuff, and someone knocks on my door and they were like, a tree branch fell on your car. I'm really sorry. And I'm like, okay. So I walk out to my car, and like I'm not thinking it's anything like serious, and my entire like sunroof, like the glass shattered. I have a huge like dent in my hood and my front bumper. Oh my god. Like this huge freaking branch fell on my car. I live in an apartment complex. Like, aren't they supposed to, like, they have, I know they have landscaping people, because they wake me up all the time when I'm trying to sleep during the day. But they can't trim the trees. Like, aren't I like supposed to have a safe place where I can park my car? So I put the claim in, and a tow truck came and picked it up because I couldn't drive it because of all the glass. And I'm gonna have to go and get a rental car tomorrow. Like literally, I was only home 5 minutes, and I went from being like so happy to like in tears. So now we can put some on as highlighter. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. You know how we do. And I'm just gonna use my ring finger, and ooh, it does have like a duochrome, like iridescent like tint to it. It's really pretty. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm going to go finish my makeup, and I will be back. Okay, so I was putting my highlighter on, and I definitely noticed a difference with the liquid glass as a highlighter underneath. So this is ColourPop Flexitarian. I mean, it's already blinding, but I can definitely notice that it's more intense with where I put the liquid glass. Fix Plus in Gold Light. make my skin even glassier. That's gonna be like the new thing, instead of on fleek, to make my skin glassier. I am so in love with this primer. It definitely did not disappoint. I am still obsessed with the Skintune Blur, but I have to say I do like this one a little bit more. It's very hydrating. And it just gives your skin that like glow from within, and it's tacky enough to where I can definitely feel my makeup like holding onto it, and it just like went on so smoothly and gives your skin such a flawless finish. I think I do prefer using it as a serum versus mixing it with the foundation. I mean, there's not much of a difference, but I don't know why. I just like this side a little bit more. Okay, so that is my, I guess, first impressions review of the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Make Skin Serum. These primers are probably two of the best primers I have ever used, ever. If you are considering buying this, I do recommend it. I think it would be great for definitely dry skin, but it's not like over hydrating to where it wouldn't be good for normal to oily skin as well. And because it's not illuminating, it just gives a glow. It's going to be perfect for all skin tones as well. Yeah, I am so excited I got it. I'm so excited to try it and see. Like, I just can't stop staring at my skin in the mirror. Let me know if you are considering purchasing it, or if you've tried any of their products. I am still on the fence on like whether or not I should get the rose gold elixir. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it before. Okay, let me talk about, all right, so after all of that with my car, exhibit B and C and D, they come, tow my truck. I'm gonna have to go get a rental. Then I was like literally just getting ready to film this video. I had just gotten back from my mailbox, picking this package up, and I was so excited to film, and then that happened and I was down for a while. I had to take care of all that. But then I was like, no, I'm still gonna do it. I'm still so excited. So I had my makeup on from work, just wiped everything off, and I'm like, I'll do my eyes, and then, you know, I can do my serum or primer and foundation with the video. So do my eyes, la da 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 da. I start doing the rest of my makeup. I literally had foundation all over my skin. I'm holding my blending brush, like literally about to start blending. I'm like, wait, I'm not supposed to be doing my face makeup because I have to put the primer on first. So wiped all my makeup off for a second time, moisturized for a second time, then I put a wig on. And then I'm like, wait, like I can't, I need to be able to put the primer and the makeup on. Like, I can't do that with a wig on. I'm just in outer space, but I am an INFJ, so that tends to happen a lot. Like, we're always like caught up in our heads and thinking like that we are just on like autopilot a lot. I'll miss exits when I'm driving. I do stuff like that, especially if I'm really tired. But alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.